Alright, what's up guys? One of my past videos I talked about putting these lights on the Mule. Well, believe it or not, I failed to get the GoPro, didn't even think about it. And it was kind of a late night and decided I wanted something to do, like always. So I decided to finally wire up those lights that I had mentioned in one of my past videos. But anyways, this video is not going to really help you much with the install, but I will explain to you, for those of you that have this Kawasaki Mule MX Pro, I believe this is a 2021. There's not a whole lot of videos out there with getting access to underneath the hood and getting it wired up. But I'll explain to you real quick that is actually probably the hardest part of wiring all this, was getting that hood off. You gotta take that up, lift that center console up, and then put in the switches. If any of you want more detailed instructions, I can certainly get into that. But I wanted to explain real quick about the placement of the lights. I thought it's worthy of sharing. So I know most folks get these light bars and they put them up front, and they get these extra dual headlamp units and they place them somewhere up front. Sometimes I've seen them on the rear, but I wanted to show, because I haven't seen anybody do this, where they put it facing kind of to the side. I guess I like to be different, but I did it this way because it's already the Mule already has headlights, and they're pretty good lights for the most part. No rear lights, so that's why the light bar goes on the back, and that actually does a really good job at not only allowing me to see in the back, but also eliminates the bed. So if I need to see anything in the dark, I can do that. So I put the light bar in the back. This faces that way, and I'll post a video when it gets dark here. What it does, obviously, it's going to shine and give me a broader spectrum of what I can see, because the headlights give a good coverage up front, so I didn't need to add any more pointing towards the front. I didn't need to put any up here, but I wanted it facing outwards that way a little bit. So actually, as I'm driving straight, I can then see to the left and the right of me. So that's why I have these placed like I do there. So I'll get a video posted once it gets dark. I'll post a video up to show you guys when it's completely dark out. It does make a nice difference. But yeah, I just wanted to share that real quick. Once again, sorry I didn't record anything about the install. There's videos out there about wiring, so wouldn't need to post anything like that. But once again, if any of you are interested in getting access to the hood and how I did the wiring, not necessarily the wiring of the lights, but how I ran the wiring for this particular Mule model, it's a Pro MX. Yeah, give me a shout, let me know, and I can go over that with you, and you know where all the bolts are and everything that you have to remove. There's one other video out there that I found that posts that information, but that's all I came across. So if you want that information, put in the comments below, let me know. This is the main headlights for the Mule. Those are just the regulars, not the high beams. So I'll show you what it looks like from the driver's seat. Okay, so this is no lights. This is lights just from the Mule. These are the high beams. Okay, now notice here's the LED that I installed. They point to the left and the right. So if I look to the left here, for example, it's obviously darker. The way I installed the lights was so you now get a view on the side. And so you can see the view is much wider with the way that I installed the lights. That's why I did it that way. So without, with, so you can see the much broader view there. Mule lights off. Mule lights on. There you have that. I'll show you from the front what it looks like if you care to see that. And here's the back. I'll show you the light bar in the back. So currently that's what it looks like, and there you go. So now I can see inside the bed, see behind me. Maybe if somebody's trailing me too close, I just turn that bad boy on and blind the heck out of someone. That'll obviously help me back up at night as well if I need to. So for the most part, I'd say inside the cab I get in complete darkness. I did test this out yesterday, and it's getting there. It's almost dark. You almost get a full 360 view with the lights on. That light bar in the back and these ones I put up front. So, and here we go with the lights completely off here. So now you can see it's getting completely dark. So, let's see if I can get on the road here. That's just the mule lights. And there's a bat. Look at that. Oh yeah, a bat flying right in front of me. Okay. Get on the road here so you guys can see what it really does. So you can see once again, I can't see to the left or the right of me. So I'm on the road. You can see the ditch over here, you can hardly see it, but if I turn the lights on, and now I can see the road there. Lights. And there you have it. Sorry, you can't see me now. That's what it looks like. So once again, if you care to have me share with you how I had to take the hood off, how I got the lights installed, not so much the wiring part of it, but just the disconnecting or the disassembly of the mule itself, leave a comment below, let me know, and I'll post a video on that. Alright guys, thanks for watching.